So once you have obtained ISIN, the other step is before getting the shares converted, you need to have Demat account. Every security holder needs to have a Demat account to get its securities dematerialized. So for opening of Demat account, you need to first select your DP. DP is, as Preeti mentioned, DP is intermediary between the security holder and the depository. So DP can be any bank or NBFC or foreign bank having a license in India, etc. Preeti has clarified on that also. You need to select your DP. Just ensure while selecting your DP that your DP is linked to the same depository with whom the company has obtained ISIN. It should not be like that company has obtained ISIN from NSDL and your DP does not have an account with NSDL. It has an account with CDSL. So if that happens, you'll not be able to link your securities, with that DP. Once you select your DP, so then submission of documents for Demat account opening happens. We'll talk about the list of documents also, which are pretty common and mandatory for opening of Demat accounts. So once you submit the documents, then there is a mandatory KYC. So it's in the form of a CKYC also. You submit various documents like your proof of address, proof, your identity proof, your income proof, etc. So then mandatory KYC will be done. Once the KYC is okay, your documents will be verified by the DP and the Demat account will be opened. You'll get a BOID. BOID is beneficial owner identification number. So this is how you open a Demat account. The documentation required for opening of Demat account generally is like for individuals, there is a Demat account opening form which you need to fill and file. Your identity proof, your address proof, proof of income. So in case of NRI, you need to submit a passport copy also and one foreign address. FATCA declaration is also required and your latest bank statement. These are the standard set of documents required for DP for individuals. Basically, for body corporates, including Indian or overseas, the list is bigger. So again, some of the documents are common, like your Demat account opening form, the charter documents of the company, COI, MOA, AOA, PAN of the body corporate, the board resolution for opening of Demat account, proof of principal place of business, audited balance sheet, latest shareholding pattern, details and KYC of authorized signatories, who will be the authorized signatories to operate the Demat account, a duly filled FATCA declaration, and latest bank statements. So this is a common list of documents. Of course, while you submit your documents, your DPs might ask for further documents. For example, you don't have in your passport, you don't have your address mentioned, so you might be asked for a utility bill or government issued ID. So these kind of documents can further be asked. Now the ISIN is created, your Demat account is opened. Now that you have to convert your securities into Demat form. Opening of Demat account would not automatically convert your securities into Demat. You'll have to submit certain documents for conversion of your securities into Demat form. First is the security holder. So this is the process which is taken through the security holder, not through the company, basically. So there is a Demat request form. So the security holder will submit a Demat request form to its DP. So this Demat request form will have informations with respect to the securities you are holding. With the DRF form, you need to provide the security certificates also with the DFA surrender for dematerialization, because you cannot have securities both in physical as well as Demat. So you have to get your share certificate surrendered, and then only you can apply for conversion into Demat. This DRF and authentication will be done by the DP. And before converting, now DP will have to link with the RTA. RTA is the authority from the company's side. Depositories are the custodians. Now DP has come into picture now. So DP will go to the RTA of the company and request for crediting the shares into DP's account, and DP will further credit it into the security holder account. So RTA will also verify okay with the physical share certificate, because RTA will have the entire. Remember, I talked about the shareholding details in Excel, which is filed at the time of creation of ISIN. So the security-wise detail, the certificate number, distinctive number-wise detail. So once the copy of this defaced share certificate is given to RTA, RTA will verify it its end and will give a go ahead. So generally, before giving a go ahead, RTA, at the back end gets a go ahead from the company's authorized signatory also, right? So any further document, if RTA is asking for any further documents, for example, to ensure that these are not the fake documents, for example, or any requirement which RTA feels or the DP feels, they may ask for further documents.
Welcome to COMPLINITY Technologies. COMPLINITY is India's leading governance, risk and compliance software helping companies to manage their compliance, contracts, litigation, legal updates, inter-financial controls and more. COMPLINITY is a one-stop shop for all GRC needs. With our proprietary 12 GRC modules and real-time legal updates on 2,000 plus laws and 24,000 plus compliances. All in an integrated platform that is easy to use with automated alerts and risk management capabilities. Is why compliance managers, general counsels and chief financial officers choose COMPLINITY every time. Join the most innovative and prestigious brands that use COMPLINITY. Automating your compliance management, request a demo at complinity.com.